Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did kind of like a pumpkin spice inspired look using the Ashley Strong palette from Morphe. It's the Affirmation Magic Artistry palette. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. I think it's really neat. Alright.
Hi Tim, it's me, Ashley.
What was that?
I told you it's me, Ashley.
Yeah. So yeah, my daughter, I love her so much. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this intro short. We are still getting our bedroom ceiling removed, so that's fun. Hopefully it'll be done sometime next week. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. I really like this little palette. I think it's so cute and it's just going to be so much fun to keep playing with. I think the next look I'm going to do with it is I'm going to use the greens and I'm super excited about that. My daughter keeps trying to jump into the frame, so I'm going to go ahead and just end this here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.